Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a StarkNet, Stark USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. Why did I choose the StarkNet? Because here we just trying to breaking out the 0.686 level by FIP, so it's 44.1071. And just for example, like my channel I use for all altcoins after leasing, absolutely the same model. It's absolutely totally for free, so you could use that model all the time if you watch the free tutorial. Just for example, Saga with absolutely the same model after leasing now is here. Of course, not all tokens dump it so much. For example, yesterday I double checked the chart of Venom. You remember that token? So yes, we swept that low. So technically the model invalidated, and invalidation for that model if the token dump on the listing price. Saga hold the line in that box. You can open the chart and play out perfectly well. So if the StarkNet now already formed at the bottom here around August 24, so most likely yes, it was at the bottom. And if we just check the lows, and I would like to show you, of course, with my custom set what's going on now. Yes, we didn't sweep that low. So technically now at this current moment, the August 24, it's the lowest point like 31 cents. And we traded in a tiny range, so we try breaking out. Let's zoom in. One time, second time, drop it down, breaking out, come back. And here we test it again, trying to break it out. Of course, can we drop and sweep that low of August 24? Absolutely. It's easy. It's not always, guys, about what the market will do next. It's always about what you personally will do next. If that token will go like this one or like this one. What is your action? Don't be worried about some things where you can't control. You can't control only your actions. You buy now or not. You open trade with the stop loss or not. It's always up to you, guys. So if the StarkNet will repeat the saga from this current price, it can be like 143% move. And of course, guys, it will be not one green candle like this one. Of course not. It's a daily time frame. But step by step, maybe we'll go higher, at least to that block, because firstly, we need to sweep that highs. Actual highs, that one. After that, we start build the structure for uptrend, and the first main K level will be 0.56 level by FIP, $1.08. Next one is $1.29, and sweep that liquidity pool. So this block definitely gonna be tested. I think not from the first time we're gonna break it out, that one. And if we zoom out to a monthly time frame, you will find out 3 monthly gaps now for StarkNet like a magnet. Of course, first one we're gonna test this one like 63 cents. Then maybe we'll see the pullback, trade maybe even sometimes in that range and going higher. Invalidation, of course, guys, absolutely still the same. Drop under 20 cents on a Binance. That's why I hope all altcoins now perform pretty good, because elections in November in the United States and seasonality, so usually the autumn is a great time for markets. And if the market will not crash it down, the Bitcoin not crash it down, and Ethereum BTC trading pair, we will see the Ethereum start perform, all altcoins will follow. It's going to be the good one. So to buy now or not, it's only up to you. And we talk about a spot. For intraday, of course, guys, you have to analyze the smaller time frame. So now we talk about a zone for buying, for accumulation, for spot. The targets, of course, for StarkNet, for swing trades, it's $2.28, $2.44. And new all-time high, maybe. I'm not count that week. If you believe in the crazy gains for StarkNet, you can wait some targets, because I definitely can't know the next steps after this one, after $2.67. There is open space. I'm not count that week candle. No makes sense. It's just a lack of liquidity, of course. And so this is the case. So swing trades, this block, for fixation. So let's take a look with my customer set what the whales do now. With the StarkNet, here, hold that time period and the weekly time frame, it's accumulation. Technically, even with the divergency, because here, the main lowest point on ADZ in Joule, and the lowest point was 45 cents. Then we drop it down till 36, 34, 31, that one. Format the divergency on a weekly time frame. We lay down the bottom on direction. Got it. This is still area on the market mode on a weekly. That's why we can see some consolidation in that range again. And take a look how it's playing out now on daily. So all that time period was a huge divergency. We formed the crazy divergency on ADZ, and now only now start perform. Now we can start the divergency on daily time frame first, and maybe test the $1.08. And of course, at $1, everybody gonna scream, "We go into the moon!" Yes. And here's the direction, no signal to buy or sell. Of course, guys, you have to understand, I'm not a fan of StarkNet. I absolutely don't care about any of that tokens. I just trade that tokens. I still think we don't need that that much layer 2 or that super attached projects. No. For speculation, of course not. We don't need it. I never use the StarkNet in live, you know, or in like a blockchain. I never use it and probably never will. So I don't care about that one, like utility or a use case. I just trade that assets. Market smooth here. This is a capitulation, just bounce. And of course, it looks like a small bounce, but technically it was like 48%. So it's a normal bounce. The question only is size of initial deposit. So now it's not a free on a daily. Take a look, money power. What is good, what is bad? Daily time frame, all that time period is accumulation, so the money step-by-step inflow, but it's a daily time frame. I don't care about the daily time frame like investment. I care about the weekly time frame. So technically, the main money inflow from the whales at this current moment, we can see one more drop and we will see another money inflow. You have to understand it. Now in August 24 at 34 cents. So it's comfortable price for the whales. But you have to understand 34 cents, so around 70 cents, they can fix their initial deposit. That's why we can see the correction. So because usually the market makers or the biggest players who invest in the risk big amount of money, they are trying to withdraw initial deposit, you know, and ride with the frequency. So take a look around here. When we sweep that equal highs, maybe test I don't know, maybe 86, 87 cents, that one, 0.61 level by FIB. Then we'll see the correction. So it will be more than okay to see that one move, consolidation, and start to build a structure. And in this case, yes, most likely we will see the money outflow on a daily, because the whales will withdraw initial deposit. Of course, I can be wrong. Absolutely, it's more than okay. Trade on weekly here, buy. So technically the whales, yes, look to investment. So technically, yes, the whales want to accumulate that asset. And the last one is take profit on a weekly, no data. Daily time frame here. Last time we tested here the buy line, we didn't test it. So technically we can drop it again. So just be careful. Buy line at this current moment, it's 27 cents, 93. So I would like to see the test of the take profit line. It's 55.77, and the sweep of that actual highs with a week, you know, like 62.87 and a little bit higher. So this is what I would like to see. But of course, it can be the trap, and we can drop it down now from this price. Of course, the lines a little bit start curve up. So now no signal to money outflow. This is not a crazy distribution zone, definitely. The main K level now is 45 cents. When we're breaking out, yes, we can retest it, that take profit line, exit line, sweep that actual highs, and even test 87 cents. After that, we can drop to 57 cents again. And it's going to be the drop like 30%, sorry. So guys, all targets I showed you for swing trades, for accumulation, for distribution. If you would like to trade with my customer care set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.